Welcome to our channel. Donald True **P will be sentenced on 34 felony convictions days before inauguration as judge issues jail time decision. New York Judge Juan Merchan declined to vacate Trump's history-making guilty verdict in a ruling on Friday, January 3rd, further ordering him to appear for sentencing on January 10th. President-elect Donald Trump is expected to be sentenced for 34 felony convictions on Friday, January 10th, only a week and a half before he is sworn in as the 47th President of the United States. In a long-awaited ruling on Friday, January 3rd, New York Judge Juan Merchan denied Trump's motion to toss the historic guilty verdict, ordering that the president-elect appear for sentencing either virtually or in person on Friday, January 10th, at 9:30 a.m. local time. Though Trump's charges carry up to 4 years in prison, Merchan clarified in his ruling that he does not intend to sentence the politician to jail. Instead, the judge suggested, unconditional discharge appears to be the most viable option to ensure finality and allow defendant to pursue his appellate options. Trump's legal team has made several attempts to get the president's case dismissed since he was first convicted on May 30th. One of the defense's strongest arguments, that a July Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity was grounds for vacating the verdict, was previously shut down by Merchan in December. In the judge's latest ruling to uphold the verdict, he highlighted the importance of honoring the trial process. The significance of the fact that the verdict was handed down by a unanimous jury of 12 of defendant's peers after trial cannot possibly be overstated, he wrote. Indeed, the sanctity of a jury verdict and the deference that must be accorded to it is a bedrock principle in our nation's jurisprudence. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office brought an unprecedented case against Trump that aimed to prove he not only falsified financial records with intent to defraud, in this instance, to mask a $130,000 hush money payment made to Stormy Daniels in the final days of his 2016 presidential election, but that he did so in order to conceal a second crime, which elevates the charges from misdemeanors to felonies. In falsifying the records, the DA's office argued, Trump was more broadly attempting to bury evidence of an illegal conspiracy to influence the 2016 election. Prosecutors provided jurors with strong evidence of falsified business records, but proving that they could be attributed to Trump and charged as felonies was more difficult, relying heavily on witness testimony to shed light on the former president's involvement and intentions. The defense argued that prosecutors' primary